Oftentimes, when people are trying to start their healthcare business, they understand that they want to comply with their state laws, and they do engage in a management agreement with a physician entity in order to do so. However, there's a little confusion, what some of these services can offer, and one of the biggest confusion surrounds marketing. Now, marketing related to healthcare businesses can be very questionable. Marketing is highly regulated in healthcare, especially when you're dealing with anti-kickback, Stark, and other healthcare regulations. Sometimes the agreements that you might receive might include marketing and then have some type of percentage base for everything, but marketing being included. So you might wonder, if you're offering digital marketing for your healthcare business and there's a variable in how payment is received between the parties, is that in compliance? The question, I will say, is emphatically no. Marketing, usually, you might hear things that are not so straightforward, but I really want to make sure that organizations are doing the right thing by the law. And when you are offering marketing services, you want to do as much as you can to keep those services some type of flat fee, only because, again, when you're thinking about Stark and anti-kickback law and things like that, you want to make sure that you're protecting your entities and the parties, and that nothing is seen to be nefarious. When rates go up and down, and especially in relationship to marketing, there have been a lot of opinions that it can be seen as illegal. Now, you can take that with a grain of salt, but if you are trying to stay out of the government's crosshairs, you want to make sure, even if it comes to digital marketing and you're thinking, I'm going to do percentage or whatever, don't. Keep that marketing agreement separate, or keep it flat, or try to figure out how you're going to come up with a creative way to make sure that marketing doesn't vary at all. Because a lot of times people will say, well, I'm just going to have a cash-based business, and that's not going to be a relevant factor. The problem is that today you want to have a cash-based business, tomorrow you want to go into insurance. And as you decide to change and morph with your business strategy, you will forget some of the agreements that you've entered into that could put you in severe hot water. So if you're starting a healthcare business and you are having an MSO structure, make sure that you are keeping marketing as much as you can flat fee.